BSLK stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. So where's Bolt Projects Holdings going next? I see pre-market trading at around 10 bucks. You know, it went up 500%. That's crazy numbers, man. Holy crap. The one thing that I'll tell you is that probably, yeah, I had some bearish ideas before with BSLK and actually delivered very nicely to some point, and then it freaking pumped out of nowhere. And that's how it, like, welcome to trading. That's how it's moving. Now, in a freaking like a trend, like movement like this, I'm here to tell you, bro, that I get it. You know, it could be opening here, but I'm willing to still squeeze the most juice that I can out of this bullish market and bullish trend. So how would that look like? Well, if 5-minute candles open here and I start seeing the proper double break confirmation, nothing is in my way to buying more. Because what's the likelihood that this thing just kind of keeps pumping? If you ask me, and what I've tested over 45 videos, it's very high, right? But again, do your own due diligence, please. It's not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm just waiting for a confirmation today.